Are you looking for the health benefits of okra? New research has just been uncovered in relation to how okra can benefit you and your family. Learn all the great new health benefits of this plant, including a lot of information that has never before been released. Okra is a typical vegetable of the tropics, belonging to the same family with eggplant and hollyhock. There are more than 200 types of this vegetable being naturalized in the United States. Okra is very healthy, but almost everyone hates it because of its peculiar taste and slimy feeling. Today I can share some interesting benefits of okra with you. Okra has a relatively neutral taste, and is therefore frequently used in dishes cooked with strong-tasting foods and spices. A few of these popular dishes are gumbo and the East and West African dish jollof rice. Okra may be a southern delicacy, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't eat it if you live up north. The green veggie is rich in vitamin C, folate and vitamin K, but that's not all. It's also an excellent source of fiber and antioxidants, helping to prevent the risk of heart disease and cancer. A 3.5 ounces, 100 gram, serving of cooked okra provides 2 grams of fiber, or 8% of the daily value for women and 5% for men. The same serving gives you 20% of the daily value for vitamin C, along with 10% each for vitamin A and folate, 30% for vitamin K and 200 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids. Okra, also known as lady's fingers, bamia or gumbo, is a green flowering plant that produces small pods. These pods have been eaten for centuries and are an important part of cuisines around the world, especially in the southern United States. The seeds and leaves of okra are also edible. The leaves can be used in salads or boiled like spinach. However, okra is best known for its immature pods, which are cooked and eaten. Okra contains many key vitamins, such as vitamin C, folic acid and vitamin K. It's also rich in calcium and magnesium. Some studies have even shown that it may help lower blood pressure and reduce constipation. 1 trusted source, 2 trusted source. Okra can be eaten raw or cooked. This tasty vegetable has many health benefits, which include its ability to lower cholesterol levels, prevent cancer, improve digestion and boost vision. Here are the top 10 health benefits of okra. 1. Lower cholesterol levels. Okra contains pectin, which helps lower bad cholesterol levels and prevent heart attacks and strokes. The high fiber content also keeps you full for longer periods of time, which reduces the urge to eat more frequently. This helps keep weight off and blood pressure in check, as well as reducing your risk of diabetes. 2. Improve digestion. Okra contains mucilage, which is a type of soluble fiber that provides bulk for the stool and prevents constipation. It also serves as fuel for probiotics in your body, which helps improve digestion and bowel movements. 3. Prevents kidney disease. Are you an okra lover? If so, great news! Your favorite vegetable might also be preventing kidney disease. Research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that consuming okra has a protective effect on your kidneys. The researchers believe that compounds in the vegetable called lignans may be responsible for helping to prevent the disease. Okra prevents kidney disease, or at least plays a major role in the prevention of kidney diseases like kidney stones. That's because it contains an antioxidant that removes free radicals from the body. Free radicals are produced by the metabolic process, as well as exposure to toxic metals, radiation, and chemicals. 4. Rich in antioxidants. Did you know that okra is one of the highest natural sources of antioxidants, containing super healthy lutein and zeaxanthin? Okra is a crucial ingredient in the traditional Indian diet and also rich in antioxidants. Okra also prevents colon cancer. It is rich in dietary fiber, vitamins like A, C, E, K and folate, not to mention minerals such as potassium, phosphorus and magnesium. 5. May help prevent cancer. When it comes to cancer, you may have thought that the best way to prevent it is through diet and lifestyle. But did you know that foods can help prevent and actually treat certain kinds of cancer? Okra may be something that you've never heard of but can help improve your health. Did you know that okra may help prevent cancer? This was discovered recently from a library of medicine at the University of Louisville. So what is this delicious vegetable doing for cancer prevention? Several studies show that okra contains a natural compound called capsaicin, which helps prevent cancer of the colon, breast, pancreas and prostate. It also contains vitamin C, which prevents the growth of tumors. When buying okra, look for smaller pods as they tend to be more tender than larger ones. 6. Good for heart health. If you want to be the heart healthy, you should consider serving okra at least once or twice a week. Okra contains nutrients that are necessary for your cardiovascular health and works as a perfect anti-inflammatory food for your body. A new study has been released stating that okra is good for heart health. Okra is a long, green cylindrical vegetable that looks like a regular green bean when cooked. This vegetable was once thought to have medicinal properties and was used by both Arab and Indian cultures for healing. In recent times, scientists have turned their attention to okra as a possible way to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Okra is high in folic acid, potassium and vitamin C, which can reduce oxidative stress, which in turn helps lower levels of bad cholesterol, LDL. 7. May aid blood sugar control. Okra has been traditionally used as a medicinal plant in the treatment of diabetes. This is good news for diabetics who have to monitor their blood sugar regularly and carefully. Okra may aid blood sugar control, according to researchers in India. Their study looked at the impact of okra and other vegetables on preventing type 2 diabetes, a disease that millions of people suffer from across the world and cannot easily control with medication. 8. Rich in important minerals. Did you know that okra is rich in important minerals like calcium, phosphorus and magnesium? It's true. This green summer vegetable is usually boiled or fried, but don't rush your preparation. With a few simple tips and tricks, you can turn this healthy vegetable into an outstanding side dish for your next backyard barbecue. Okra is rich in important minerals and vitamins, which have many health benefits. These are some minerals found in okra which contribute to good health. Bake some okra, fry them, or cook them any way you like. You will discover that okra tastes delicious. There are other good reasons to eat this vegetable regularly, such as aiding weight loss and preventing heart disease. 9. Good for digestive health. Did you ever hear of the saying, "You are what you eat"? I don't know if it's true, but even if it isn't, your digestion will surely tell. That's why I always chose to eat healthily. Okra is a veggie that'll make your digestion smooth. Okra is a high-fiber vegetable packed with vitamins and minerals. This makes it an excellent source for digestive health. The consumption of okra is also beneficial to cardiovascular health, respiratory health and eye health. 10. Help protect eye health. Previous studies have found that okra promotes eye health. However, the details behind this benefit are largely unknown. Scientists from the Louisiana State University Health Sciences Center in New Orleans published a study titled, "Okra Vegetable Enhances the Protective Ability of Human Lens Epithelial Cells Against Oxidative Stress in Chemical Biology," which provides insight into how exactly okra protects the eye. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.